assaulting element will enter the wire, close with and destroy the enemy. When the objective is cleared and secured, the platoon will conduct actions on the OBJ and conduct enemy prisoner report procedures, aid in litter movement for casualties, and consolidation and reorganization. Team and squad leaders are also collecting LACE reports. A LACE report gives the platoon sergeant the amount of water, ammunition, casualties, and equipment in his platoon. However, it's essential to quickly get off the objective before the enemy can send fires or reinforcement. The platoon will move off of OBG in three phases: red for the assault 1, white for assault 2, and blue for the support element. During the assault, first platoon sustained a casualty. The medic and the platoon sergeant will prepare a personnel recovery request report, call the 9 line to call for casualty evacuation. When it's ready, they will give the report to the JTAC to call up.
976, Kodiak 31, 9 line, medevac request call.
Kodiak 31, IC-76, send it.
Line 1, 06 Victor, Uniform November, 4960, 9403. Line 2, Kodiak 31, 49.75. Line 3, Bravo. Line 4, landing extraction. Line 5, ambulatory. Line 6, enemy troops 500 meters east. Line 7, BS-17. Line 8, U.S. Army. Line 9, NA. How copy?
Are they gonna land?
76 copies all. We're 2 minutes out.
The platoon will secure a helicopter landing zone and mark the site using a predetermined method that helicopters may return to safely land and extract both friendly and enemy combatants. After receiving the all-clear, the U-860 Blackhawks from the Alaska Army National Guard 152nd Aviation Regiment moves in to extract one of our casualties.